All right, guys, here are two AI stocks to pay close attention to in the coming days and weeks. If I zoom out on this BBAI chart, you'll notice, especially even more so on the weekly, but on the daily, you'll notice we bottom out under $1.50 every single time down here. Like this is the trading range. Of course, we're looking, long term here. Anytime it comes down here under $1.50, $1.70, we get a bounce, and it can come up as high as 228, and sometimes make a huge one for a 2x, 3x, depending on when and where you buy. So this is looking like we might get a reversal soon. I'm not buying in just yet. I'm gonna wait a couple more days and see if we start, forming some support here or bouncing here. But this candle usually means that we're gonna bounce. Not always. It's not a end all be all, but here's like a similar candle on Riot, and we had a huge bounce the next day. So again, I said similar candle, not the exact same thing. So BBAI, something to keep a close eye on for a bottom. You guys know me. I like buying bottoms. Let's look at AI real quick. See, yeah. So AI bounced today off of its bullish reversal candle. We'll see if we actually bounce though. It's nice to see, potential break of that pattern to the downside. But Soundhound AI Inc. This is the one that's been This is the one that's been hot. Soundhound here. Buyers are still stepping in under $8. Held up today above that support line. So we're good for now. We need to see if we get a bounce again. I'm not going to say we're going to bounce, but we switch to the 4 hour. I believe. I believe it's the 4 hour. Oh yeah, that's a 4 hour. Here's your 4 hour. Here's a 4 hour chart, 4 hour look at what's going on. That's what I'm seeing. I know some people have been drawing this, but either way, either we're going to break out or break down. And that's been the story for this one. But if we look at the daily, or not the daily, the hourly, yeah, the hourly. Same thing on the hourly. You'll notice like we're either going to go one way or the other. Buyers do continue to step in at under eight every single time. You could have flipped it. Literally, you could have bought this under $8 every time, flipped it the same day because of how volatile it is. The only problem is on the daily chart. On the daily chart, oh, where's my segment line? Come on, segment line. On my daily chart, this is what's going on: a descending triangle. But some people are seeing a bull flag, so I don't know. It's kind of all over the place, right? It's like, is it a wedge? Is it a bull flag? Is it a descending triangle? Tomorrow is going to be very telling. Tomorrow is going to tell the story. Because today we thankfully closed above the support, but tomorrow is going to tell the story. It's going to be important tomorrow. If we don't hold here, we're probably going to come down to 750, $7. That's going to be like the next support. So let me draw that just in case. But yeah, there we go. Somewhere around that area is going to be our next support if it drops. All right, guys. You guys know me. I'm going to be looking to buy dips. I'll see you guys in the next one.